The following interview is not for sensitive viewers.
Felix Nomini on the Uprising.
Weekdays 6 to 9 a.m. Takasi FM.
Izinto sensitive, especially when it comes to abuse. And so, like Felix had said before, if you are a sensitive listener, we do give you this fair warning that this is going to be content that might touch you in many ways. Who's here to tell a story. We did say we're observing 16 days of abuse against women and children, and we've been talking to abantu abahlukahlukile, different NPOs. We've been talking to survivors. We've been sharing different lines that you can call to get help. And then we got a particular message from someone going, hey, I'm not yet a survivor, I am a victim, and I'd like to share my story. And so one thing we do promise is that there's about 1.5 million people listening, and so maybe usizo lungatholakala. No, sister, someone. Let me open your mic for young Vulela Lapo Felix. Thank you. Unjani siswami?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila. Siyakwamukela kwekakasi. I'm just going to allow you to take us through your story. Ukuthi sukapi and kwenzakalani.
Okay, ngisacela ukubingelela abasakazi, ngibingelele iGagazi FM nabalabeli bonke. Igama lami ngingilosisa, ngishade ngo-2022, ngishadela kwaShibe, ngishada uThamsanqa Shibe, ongumyeni wami, ongidlula ngo-13 years iminyaka. Ukushada kwami bengingena kwi-relationship ngoba ngimbona ngimthanda. Kodwa indlela engibone ngayo sengiqaqe umqondo, indlela bese ngikubona ukuhlukumezeka ukuthi kule relationship iqala bengazile ukuthi uzongenza umfazi, bezwele ukuthi ngoba ngumntwana nanokuthi ngisemncane nginayo uzongicontrola nangendlela umsebenzi awusebenzayo ukuthi mina ngihlezi ngumfazi lo wasekhaya enza nomntoni kumina ngoba uthando la.
Take your time.
Uthando liyavalana amehlo. Liyavalana amehlo uthando. Mengiyibona mina ngathi ungiphethe kahle konke kuhamba kahle. Ngingakuboni lokucontrola kukona, but abantu abade becaleni bebekubona yona.
Ukuthi
ngibekezele njengomfazi ngendlela engiyalwe ngayo ekhaya.
Mawuthi uthando liyavalana amehlo. What was happening?
Ama red flag maningi engiwabonile.
Walk us through them, mami.
Ukuthi mengiyemall fanele ngireport kuyena, mengilukile ekhanda fanele ngireport ngishuthe ngimsendele because besingahlali naye ubehamba 6 months abuye after 6 months. If kukhona into engiyenzile even endlini ukudla engikuphekile yonke into engiyenzile nje kufanele nayazi ukuthi ngiyenzani ngalesikhathi ngiyenzani. Yes, if umele ngigoduke ngiyobona abantwana because umntwana wami nomntwana wasesiwami behlala noauntie eClermont, ungikalela isikhathi sokuhlala lapho u4 angimele ungishayele ngaphandle kwendlu, kufanele ngibe sendlini. If engithola efonini kumele ngithole ngesikhathi efonini mefonile.
So you're saying usebenza 6 months aphinda hambe futhi omunye 6 months obasekhaya.
Yes.
Do you mind me asking ukuthi uThamsanqa usebenza muphi umsebenzi?
Uyi-soldier.
Uyi-soldier. Hence going away for 6 months. Yes. And then staying. So look at ukubona mhlambe njengothanda ukuthi he cares for me, he loves me, always checking up on me. Uqala ukubona nini ukuthi kuyi red flag bese kwenzakalani? Did it escalate?
Ngiqale ukubona la sengimtshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuya esikoleni. Wathi yena angilinde siqede ukwakha umuzi ngazela ukuzogana la ekhaya. Okay, ngisacela ukusebenza because ngingedwa for lo 6 months and angihlali namntwana, ngihlala ngedwa. Ngingedwa la lo 6 months ngisacela ukuthola umsebenzi ke ngibuye endlini ngizikhiphe busy. Wathi yena ayinganelisi le mali anginika yona. Le mali enginika yona u2000 ngenyanga. Nabantwana kumele ngibondla abawu2. Owami wangaphandle nowasisiwami. 2000 la nginika wona.
So wakunqabela ukuthi uhambe uyofunda ufuna ukuyofundana.
Kwakufanele ngangifuna ukuyofunda eUnisa ngiyokwenza teaching.
Okay.
Yes.
So ngabe nginephutha bengithi okwamanje usichazela ukuthi you were going through, or you rather you were in or are in an emotional abusive relationship.
Yes.
Did at any point did it escalate ukuthi mhlawumbe egcine ku physically kulo 6 months mayibuyile uke wakubeka isandla?
Oh, okay, kwaba khona ukuthi kube khona imali engenayo umntwana. Yababa womntwana nje ayikade ngasekho emhlabeni.
So nomntwana nomunye umuntu wesilisa besides him.
Yes, so washona. Yes, kwakhona imali engenayo yomntwana. Yaqala lapho ke impi, kwakhona ummeli wayengisiza ngokuthi ngiphushe abantu ababephethe imali yomntwana ukuze bazikhiphe. Okay, lo mmeli lo wagcina ethe ngithandana naye because ummeli ulibe check angithi uyasazi isimo somntwana. Ulibe check ukuthi imali uyithole kahle na. Ingabe ingane ku right yini iyona le mali wena ocabanga ukuthi iyona le ya Rafu kumele ayithole umntwana. Ngathi mina ngazo elibe ngitshela ukuthi kumele ngiye ka Rafu ngiyocheck ukuthi iyona le mali kade kumele ngiyithole. Wathini ngithandana naye lo mmeli.
Yeah.
Iyaqala lapho ke impi ke wangibeka isandla. Ngahamba ngo reporter kubo nga-report ekhaya kwangathi lo nto iyalungiswa kuba right. Wahlala kuloyo nto yokuthi mina ngithandana nommeli until now usathi mina ngiyathandana nalo mmeli ngalala naye.
Sure. Not that it matters any less ukuthi usekushaye kangaki. What I'm asking is it continuous every time is there noma wayiqala ukubeka isandla wagcina ngalolo langa usomcebile kini sebe intervene?
Ubeqala ume isikhathi ngaleso sikhathi akagcinanga manje nje ade buyile ngicishe ngafa.
And did we go report to some person?
Angazi ukuthi yini ade ngivikela ngicishe ngafa umuntu engikinya azama ukungishaya azikhuze ubona inyembezi zehle emehlweni kuyena.
Mhlawumbe mangabuza nje lama njobo ula phambi kwethu.
Yes.
Nisandawonye nawo ubaba?
No, asisekho ndawonye ungikhiphile endlini wangishisela zonke impahla zomntwana lo wami engimzalayo ngaphandle wayishisa zonke impahla zomntwana wathi imali yomntwana sisoze sayithola and kulonyaka wonke akaze angifayile ngishusheleni.
So since nesifakile isahlukaniso?
No, asikasifaki isahlukaniso because bengisamhambisa inkantolo. Ngakhetha ukuthi ngimenzele protection order mengifika namaphoyisa useyishisile impahla waphika ukuthi uyishisile wathi mina ngizilandile because ngine-spare key. Okay, ngabese ngihamba ngovula icase ke emaphoyiseni.
So udaba lolunganyelwe abomthetho ngamanje?
Yes, itsanganyelwa abomthetho because asikafike enkantolo.
Thina sifisa ukulekelela njengoba 16 days of activism for no violence against abantu besimame kanye nezingane.
Yes.
Ikephi la ongathi mhlawumbe nomuntu okhona ekhaya olalele njengamanje? Ila ongathi udinga mhlawumbe usizo ngakhona ukuthi uthole ubulungiswa?
Usizo engilidingayo ukuthi ngithole ubulungisa ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola umuntu ongakwazi ukumenza ukuthi akwazi ukukhokha imali yomntwana ibuyele esikhwameni somntwana. Umsebenzi ngudinga kakhulu empilweni yami angisafuna ukubuya kule relationship angisawudingi lo wamshado. Umsebenzi ngudinga kakhulu nakhona mekukhona olunye usizo lisecaleni ngalithola mhlambe lendlu kodwa into ebalekile kakhulu kumina umsebenzi nginazo certificate ze hospitality nginazo certificate se food safety.
Okay, so calling on everyone that can assist maybe works endaweni la khona amathuba, whether it's a learnership or any form of employment. Yes. In the hospitality sector or in any sector for that matter, and anyone that says maybe they work for a law firm that does take up pro bono work, they can assist, or maybe you work in a family court, you can assist with in terms of imali yengane nokondleko yengane njalo njalo. Maybe
sorry Felix, and maybe mhlambe usebenza ka Sendef or wake waba isosha, and you know ukuthi mhlambe zikhona indlela ukuthi umuntu usuke reportwa kanjani, how are these matters handled, ukuthi it's not just emaphoyiseni kodwa mhlambe nasemasosheni zikhona indlela zokureport into kanje. Please do come through, talk to us and let's see ukuthi sisi singamsiza kanjani.
Okay. No, sizoyigodla ke imininingwane yakho. Kodwa sizoyibeka makhona o reach out haye cha mina ngamsiza mhlambe ngento enjengale ukuze sikwazi ukuthi lo sizogcina lifinyelelile kuwena. Base ngicabanga ukuthi uma ufaka i-protection order iyona ekuvikelayo usaxhumane nawe wabonana nawe ngesiqu noma ngemiyalezo engathumela abantu. Ngicabanga ukuthi lakho nje uma okwamanje kuzokuphephisa wena physically. Emotionally ngiyathemba uminenhle uzokunikeza inombolo leyo ongayithintela khona for 24 hours uyakwazi ukufona uthola usizo whenever ufeel ukuzizwa ubuthaka ukwazi ukuthola usizo lokuthi kube khona umuntu ongale that is a friend that can listen, that can guide akubambe ngesandla kudodobisa.
Absolutely. So what we'll do is before Scissors Valley Show, we will share it with everyone else on air as we do every single day at 8:40. So pin the share number and now when the short save us about to a phone in.
Okay.
Kakasi FM, a very touching and moving story of emotional abuse and physical abuse, and a failed marriage, and a lady that lives in constant fear. She's in despair. She's lost all hope. If you can, assist, lend a hand. Simfugule, simsingathe. Siphinde simbuyise simsomlabuyele esimena isona ngaphambi kokuba ayithole kulesimo kusona.
In the meantime, you can save this number if now I'm going through the same thing or I need someone to talk to. In number yakona 0800150150. That's 0800150150. Wonke ama languages ayakhulunywa noma kuthiwa ukhuluma isiNgisi, isiXhosa, isiZulu, whatever it is, they'll be able to assist you to talk in a language that is most comfortable to you.
Kakasi FM.